Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Good morning, Puan Fatin. Payu Puan. Sorry. Okay, now I would want to answer these two questions about how can educational institution promote inclusivity. Okay, how they promote? I would reckon to have like a program that will make everyone participated, everyone included, especially those with learning disability and also physical disability. As for experience, for beyond experience as well. So excursion is one of the best. Homestay program, exchange program, and collaborative and cooperative learning, group collaborative activities, and exchange program between schools, between students, and between sets of target group, especially. Most probably fieldwork studies, site visits, community project, museum visit, um, hands-on project, okay, that caters to every multiple intelligences needs. As for something that is very effective to be applied, that depends on the sets of human itself. Okay, if they are accustomed to this norm, so we have to find activities that is suitable for that kind of background. If it is cultural exchange, so the student has to adapt to the cultural experience that they are going to experience at the same time, and while upholding it, so we will set up a content, we will follow the exact um, niche, okay, and ethos, to make sure that all these areas are being covered and all these academic purposes is being met. Okay, for my suggestion is, okay, right after the activities being implemented, after everything is being done, everything is being um, projected, okay, the kids have to come up with their own outcome. For example, they have to create um, a hut. They have to come or build a hut, or they have to come up with the scrapbook. They have to come up with the projectors, slide presentation. They have to come up with um, this one that my student did the other day. Um, Diorama. Okay, so that is how we keep up the quality. We keep up the standards, and at the same time we include everyone in the position and in the setting, in the background of the whole process. As for question number 5, yes, it has changed my perspective in many ways. For example, first, how am I going to understand them better? How to get them together without tainting their tabooness, like they are something that is not supposed to be done in their culture, and it has to be filtered and it has to be understood by everyone. Clear instructions of a teacher, and then understanding the student's background as a whole, like what are the areas that is sensitive, what are the areas that is not sensitive, so we put it and we make sure it is balanced. So to balance out all these things, I have to make a lot of survey, like we have to make a lot of survey about background check, especially with sensitive parents like myself. I just can't relate it to someone else, because it has to be related to my current situation, which I discover that it requires a lot of like data input. How am I going to filter all this? How the material is being chosen according to their norm, according to their needs, and the standards of the quality of the knowledge that is being passed to them. So I think the whole social dimensional educational in education subject is something that is really spike my interest in understanding students in a bigger settings, especially like in Sarawak we don't have much problem because we really blend. But when I'm in here, I'm in Kuala Lumpur where I'm currently teaching, it's a big struggle. And then jump into international school, and it is a bigger one, so there are a lot of things I need to cater, a lot of things that I need to think of, and all this theory that I've been using and applied and promoted in my teaching. I think that's that. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you soon, again next time. Bye.